Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, your one-stop channel for fun and festive drawing tutorials. Are you ready to bring some holiday magic to your art today? We're going to draw a cozy Christmas house, with Santa Claus himself making an appearance in the most hilarious way possible, stuck in the chimney. Perfect for beginners, kids, and holiday art lovers, so grab your pencils, and let's get started. We'll begin with the foundation of our Christmas house. Start by drawing a rectangle in the middle of your page. This will be the body of the house. Next, draw a triangle on top for the roof. Make sure the roof is slightly overhanging the edges to give it that cute, cozy look. Now, draw a square at the bottom for the door and two small circles for the windows. Above the roof, add a chimney on the right-hand side. A small rectangle shape works perfectly. Time to decorate. First, draw wavy lines on the roof and chimney to make it look covered in snow. Next, add a wreath or garland on the door for that festive touch. Around the house, sketch tiny Christmas trees or bushes decorated with ornaments. Here's a fun idea: add some string lights to the edges of the house and roof. Simply draw small circles or ovals along a wavy line to create the look of glowing Christmas lights. Let's make this drawing extra fun by adding Santa Claus. At the top of the chimney, draw two boots sticking out. Start with two rectangles for the legs, then round them off for the boots. To make it more playful, curve the boots slightly to give the impression Santa is wiggling his way through. Now it's time to bring our Christmas house to life with color. Use red and green for the house and decorations, white for the snow, and a pop of yellow for the glowing windows. For Santa's boots, use black with a bit of white at the top for the fur trim. Let's bring this Christmas house to life with vibrant colors. Use red and green for that festive holiday vibe, white for the snow, and yellow to make the windows glow. Add a pop of blue in the background for a frosty winter sky and sprinkle in colorful lights like pink, purple, and orange for extra charm. Don't forget to color in the background with light blue or add snowflakes for that perfect winter wonderland effect. And that's it. Your adorable Christmas house with Santa Claus is complete. Isn't it festive and fun? If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to draw next, and make sure to subscribe to Draw So Sweet for more step-by-step holiday drawing tutorials. Wishing you a creative and merry holiday season. See you in the next video. Bye.